Ladies, let me tell you about the amazing selection of handbags and clutch bags available at philippinesbrands.com. Whether you're looking for a stylish tote to carry all your essentials or a chic clutch for a night out on the town, we have something for everyone. Our handbags are not only fashionable, but they are also practical. With multiple compartments and pockets, you can easily organize your belongings and keep everything in its place. From classic leather to trendy canvas, we have a variety of materials and styles to suit your personal taste. And let's talk about our clutch bags. Perfect for a night out or a special occasion, these bags are the epitome of elegance and sophistication. With intricate detailing and luxurious finishes, you'll be sure to turn heads wherever you go. But it's not just about style with philippinesbrands.com. We also prioritize quality and durability. Our handbags and clutch bags are made from high-quality materials that are built to last. You can trust that your new bag will withstand the test of time and remain a staple in your wardrobe for years to come. And the best part? Our prices are unbeatable. You don't have to break the bank to look and feel fabulous. With affordable options and frequent sales and promotions, you can treat yourself to a new handbag or clutch bag without any guilt. So why wait? Head over to philippinesbrands.com now and browse our extensive collection of handbags and clutch bags. Whether you're looking for something casual or something more formal, we have the perfect bag for you. Elevate your style and make a statement with a new handbag or clutch bag from philippinesbrands.com.